The main topic for this outline is school shooting. My topic is why do school shootings happen? I choose this topic because I find it very interesting, terrible, and important to know why all the school shootings are happening and what there's going on in the heads of the killers and why they choose to do the shooting instead of finding another solution. Oxford University have made a waiting list over the reasons why school shootings happen. They have asked 16 students to rate 16 possible reasons for school shootings. And the top 3 reasons are: number 1, they want to get back at those who have hurt them. 2, other kids pick on them, make fun of them, or bully them. 3, they don't value their lives. And to be honest, I agree, those are valued reasons to be obsessed. But shooting will never be the answer. For example, I believe they want to show the people who have bullied or hurt them in school that they are not weak, but strong, powerful, and cool. And then they choose to show it with a school shooting. My personal opinion is that there are no reasons for making a school shooting. I know it's not okay and fair to bully someone, but it should never end with somebody dying. In 1979, Brenda was 16 years old. She killed 2 people and hurt 9 in a school shooting. The gun she used was a gun she had gotten as a Christmas present from her dad. She had wished a radio, but got a gun instead. After the shooting, she was asked, "Why did you do it?" She answered that she doesn't like Mondays. That reason was not on the waiting list, and I think that kind of reason is crazy. In an interview, she said that she had drugs in her blood, but she got checked for it right after the shooting, and the test said that she had no drugs in her blood. It was just a bad excuse. Students who have experienced a school shooting are more likely not to finish their high school. Many also got traumatized and begin to act weird and scared if they hear some fireworks or watch a movie where someone is being shot. And some also get very depressed. If that happens, you need to seek help. In the years between 1966 to 2019, 194 people have been killed because of school shooting in USA. There should have been 0 killings if I could choose. But the world we live in isn't always what we wish for. I also believe that the gun laws in the USA need to be changed. Because if you never take the guns away from people, the shooting will never stop. They can live a life without guns if they stop to be afraid of everything. The news needs to stop talking about what to be afraid of and begin to talk about some positive things that will make people happy and give them hope for the future.